I have a question. If you are in a relationship and you're talking to boys, if you are in a relationship with somebody and you are talking to another girl, what does that mean? You're cheating. No good. Okay, girls, you're talking to a guy and then you're talking to another guy. What does that call? Player, cheater. See? If you love Jesus, and if you say you love Jesus, but you still love the world, then you're cheating on Jesus. You are not faithful to Jesus. Only means that you're going to come back to Jesus every time you fall, every time you fail, every time you fall into temptation. Okay? You're going back to who? Jesus. Jesus. Because you're committed to Him. Commitment to Jesus. All my life, I'm committing to Jesus. No more playing around with the world. If you spend TikTok 3 hours and never read your Bible, put your hands down. Thank you, guys. Never read your Bible, you're cheating on Jesus. If you only watch Instagram Reels or YouTube Reels, and never pray to God, you're cheating. Because you're committed to who? Jesus. You're committed to God now. Okay? So it's a public testimony of inward conviction. It's like a marriage. You are committed to Jesus. And what did I say? It's a symbol of your buried. Okay, guys, you're gonna.